Hey, this is a mobilization technique for the sternocostal joints. So the sternum is here, the ribs come in, and they form a little bit of a joint. Costo is a Latin word for rib. Often twisting can be painful because these joints can feel a little bit compressed. So what we're gonna do, so if I'm rotating to my right, I'm gonna mobilize the right side. So I'm gonna get my fingers in kind of a little bit of curve there. So I want to kind of follow the angle, the curve of the ribs, and I'm not being pokey with my fingers, but I'm trying to almost get some traction on my kind of rib cage here. Sometimes this is better just on skin, but obviously you can't show that on the video. And so I'm going to then kind of pull this way as I gently turn. This arm can just gently kind of push into the knee to maybe get a little more of a turn, but I'm pulling. Take a deep breath, exhale, maybe pull a little bit more, and then I come back. So I'm really trying to use this hand. I'm imagining coming together. I'm using this hand to gap it a little bit as I rotate. So the hope is if a rotation was painful, this actually relieves that a little bit. It can be done as a mobilization throughout the workday, particularly if you're kind of a computer worker. Even if you just have pain on one side, I would go to both sides because the ribs move as a unit and we want both sides to be able to rotate well. So that's the key, is this kind of hand, not on the sternum, a little bit inward, and I'm trying to get some pressure. It's a little harder to get these higher ones, but you can kind of get up there. I can work lower here. So I'm just trying to work through and get some rotation through the whole rib cage. And then the hope is rotation feels a little less painful, a little more free.